In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to turn a square image into a circular image, like the one you see on the right. On the left, click on Elements. On the search bar, type in Frame. Click on See All if you don't see the frame that you want. And over here, we have a circular frame. Once we have the frame ready, we are going to click on the image and then drag the image into the frame. To adjust the position of the photo in the frame, left-click on the image twice really quickly. Once you do that, you'll be able to see the 4 dots right here. Hover over one of the corners, and then left-click and drag the image. Then release it. In the center, you see a cursor pointing to 4 directions. Left-click and hold to move it. Once you're done, click outside of the image. If you're not happy with it, do the same thing. Left-click twice, move it, and then click outside once you're done. You can do that with circle or any of the frames that you see here.